Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Sohail Nazir and I'm currently studying IELTS here in the School of Art and Design. I have joined IELTS session about 3 weeks ago. Before joining this session, I was very confused in choosing very well qualified and professional IELTS trainer that can assist me in achieving my required band for foreign universities. So when I applied for IELTS session here in the School of Art and Design, they assessed me according to their marking criteria and they suggest me to join 1 month IELTS course. Overall the environment of IELTS classes are very friendly. Sir Amar and the overall school staff is very cooperative and they are very professional. At the end, I highly recommend everyone to join the classes for achieving their required bands. Okay, Allah Hafiz.